trigonometry. Trigonometry, here the words derived with trigono and metry. Trigono means triangle and metry means measurement. So here we will learn the measurement of the triangle. So in learning this trigonometric and their concept, we first of all need to revise the Pythagoras theorem. So what is it? Tell me about it. Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is always equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So the longest side will be your hypotenuse and other one is perpendicular and base. So the hypotenuse square is always equal to the perpendicular square and the base square. So how can we find out which side is perpendicular and which side is base? So let me tell you a trick. If there is an angle which is given or we need to find out like this is called theta. The angle is called theta here. Okay. So if we are seeing or observing something from here, then this front side is called perpendicular and other one will be your base. And as always, the hypotenuse is the largest one. And if we observe something from here, then this side will call perpendicular and other will be your base and this will be your hypotenuse. I hope the perpendicular concept will be clear now. So let's move on to the further step. Further is your, now we need to find out the trigonometric ratios. So I have a very interesting trick for it to remember, which is Pandit Bhadri Prasad Har Har Bol. And here you will write down SCT. So what you need to do is just write down here sine theta, then cos theta, which is the trigonometric ratios, then tan theta, and the opposite of it, which is cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. What we need to do is, here the bottom side is written as S, which means sine. So which two sides should be in proportion here? It should be perpendicular and hypotenuse, P by H. Then for the cos, it is base and hypotenuse. And for the tan, it will be your perpendicular upon base. And as I mentioned earlier, cosec is just a reciprocal of sine. So we can write down like this also. Cos theta, even sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So we will write down like this. And the tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta, or cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So we will write down like this. So just reciprocal it. It will be your hypotenuse upon perpendicular, hypotenuse upon base, base upon perpendicular. Alright, I hope it is clear now. And if it is not, then I have an example through which you will feel that you understand this topic. So the question is given here. Here you get a triangle which is like this. This side they gives you theta and labeled like this, A, B, C. Your perpendicular is 3 and base is 4 and the hypotenuse is 5. The question is asking you to find all the trigonometric ratios, all ratios. So how can you find out? You just write down. First of all, you have to check this, that it should be at 90 degree. So let's put the Pythagoras theorem here. Hypotenuse square is always equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is given here 5 and it's a square like this, and perpendicular square 3 square, and base square is 4 square. So it will be 9, it will be 16, and it gives you 25, and this side is also give you 25. So it is clear that it is at this triangle is at 90 or right angle triangle. So now let's find out the ratios. First is sine theta, then cos theta, then tan theta, and the opposite of it, which is cosec theta. I am repeating again and again so as you will familiar with these words. So repeat after me: cosec theta, then sec theta, then cot theta. The opposite of cosec will be your 1 upon sine theta, the reciprocal of sine theta, and here will be the reciprocal of cos theta, and here you will write down opposite of or reciprocal of tan theta. So we just learned, if you remember, a trick of the ratios, which is Pandit Bhadri Prasad Har Bol, SCT. So the sine is the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos is the ratio of base upon hypotenuse, and the tan is the ratio of perpendicular upon base. So this side is your hypotenuse. The side which is in front of theta is perpendicular, and the rest other side will be your base. So I hope it is clear in the example which is I just given before. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, it will be your 3 by 4, and the cosec will be your the reciprocal of it is 4 by 3, and base upon hypotenuse will be your 4 by 5. uh, Hypotenuse is 5, so we should write down here 5, and here is also should come 5 because it is just reciprocal of sine, right? So cos theta is 4 by 5, so sec theta will be your 5 by 4, tan theta is your 3 by 4, so cot theta will be your 4 by 3. I hope it is clear. This is your answer. That's it in this video. गणेश इंस्टीट्यूट को ज़रूर 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 सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं और अमेजिंग गणेश इंस्टीट्यूट की नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।